Hello Tabrinia, I am Ahmed. Hope you are well. So thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to work on your Smartsheet project. I am excited to walk you through everything I have built for you and explain how each part works. So first of all, I have created a new workspace application, applicant management and badge tracking. So then first is application tracker sheet. So here I have put all custom fields that you have mentioned, like this one you can check out these all custom field around 55 field I have put here by manual. By the way, this project is huge and you have assigned me just $45, but actual price of this project is 200 because I have created application tracker, then I have created a report of each, like application tracker report, badge appointment, explanation report, badge needed, fingerprint, late due date, project status summary, everything. So here I have put and one entry to test like this is running good. And second, first is application tracker, then second is application tracker report, like all report you can check out, like this is application summary. Here I have mentioned like 5 column groups, filter and so more you can check out. Then second, appointment report, this is appointment report. Then this is badge expiry report. Then this is badge needing follow-up report. Then this fingerprint report. In each report I have add a column, filter, groups, summarize and so more that according to need. Then do this week report, then plan task report, then summary report, status summary. Then last is man dashboard, like this is the employee onboarding dashboard. Here you can check out the summary report, like every, like this is application summary report, badge appointment, badge expiry and so more. This one. And here I have add a application tracker and this image and so more. When chart I have try to attach a chart, but when you put data then chart will be shown here. So this is overall um, project details. So check out and let me know if you need any changes and so more. Thank you.